Hello my beautiful slay queens, welcome back to my channel again. If you guys are totally new to my channel, I am Jessica. I'm a certified makeup artist and also a video content creator here on YouTube and also on TikTok as well. So we're going to be beginning on our tutorial and review towards the Benefit pomade that they sent me to review and give you guys my honesty about what I think about this product. You guys know me, every time I do a review I always have to be honest with you guys and just be 100, because I want to be like really clear with anything I use for you guys. So I got you guys. So we're gonna get started and I'm gonna be showing you guys what I got. Okay guys, so we have our little info card as well as the angle brush for our brows and also our pomade. I did get the color in warm medium brown and I'm going to show you guys how it looks. I did swatch a little bit before I made this video, so I just wanted to see if it was like really a good fit on my brows, and it was. So to the pomade information that you guys have been waiting for. I'm going to be answering all the questions that you guys might be asking, like if it's, you know, the formula dry, like creamy, is it thick, is it like all that stuff, how many shades, is it long wear, waterproof, smudge proof. Okay, I'm going to tell you guys all that right now. Yes, it is a long 36-hour wear. Girl, you're going to be slaying all day, all night with those brows. 36-hour wear. Perfect. Yes, it is waterproof, smudge proof, and is also buildable as for your liking, thick or thin. You guys can build it up. And also very pigmented. As you apply it, you will have a beautiful pigmented color onto your brows. Also, it comes with 8 available shades. And of course, we're not forgetting our formula. Our formula is very, very creamy, so meaning you will have a smooth, easy appliance that once you add that product into your brows. So super excited about that. So I am going to show you guys how the application looks with the product, and I'm not even going to be touching it hard so you guys could see how smooth it looks. That's how smooth, that's how easy. I mean, a little goes a long way, so you just don't need a lot of pomade to add onto your brows. So we're just gonna get started on our brow tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how it looks. So let's start slaying. Okay guys, so we're going to be starting. I am going to be grabbing the dual angle brow brush and I'm just going to be brushing upwards on my brows. Okay, so now we're going to be mapping up our brows and I'm going to be placing just a little bit of that product. Like I said, a little bit goes a long way. So I'm placing a little bit underneath the brows from my arch to my tail brow and then going inwards and then filling in my brows afterwards. And like I said, this is how I do my brows. Everybody's so different on doing them. There's a lot of techniques out there and I just want my girls to know, do not feel discouraged, do not feel embarrassed the way you guys do your brows, because you guys are all amazing artists. So now that we're done placing the product, I'm just brushing my brows and just shaping them up already. So we're going to be repeating the same process as the other brows that we did also. So now we're going to be cleaning up the brows. I'm going to be using the LA Girl concealer and just shaping up my brows with it. And also going to be patting the concealer with my beauty blender. You do kind of want to slowly pat because you don't want concealer to get into your brows. Now I'm going to be grabbing my brow gel just to set my eyebrows in place. And voila, we are done with our eyebrows. Alright guys, so this is the finished look on my brows. I am just loving the way that they look right now. They look so beautiful, so snatched, and very precise and very, very clean, even though I use a concealer to clean it up, but still that brush helped so much on doing that precise line underneath. I'm really not mad about it. Like, it's very beautiful. I am obsessing over it right now, and I highly recommend for you guys to check it out. So I'll be linking that down below so you guys could check it out. Also, you guys could check it out at the Sephora or Ulta stores. But if it's a little easier for you guys, you can just click on my description box and it'll be there. So I'm just going to be wrapping up my video right here. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and push that notification for my future videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.